Good morning. Today we're going on a hike and I want to get like a little sandwich and eat it on the hike. That's kind of the vibe. This is my fit. These shoes, by the way, they're the best shoes that I've ever had in my life. They're so cushiony and just like so good for running and walking and everything. But they're kind of on the more expensive side, but they're definitely worth it, in my opinion. The weather is looking very promising, but it is kind of windy. We're actually going somewhere out there, I think. Like one of those mountains out there is where we're going hiking. So that's gonna be really cool to see. I don't think we'll be able to see like back this way, but we are going out to those mountains out there, so that's gonna be really fun. I gotta bring sunglasses, of course. Which ones should I bring? Hold on. Okay, I've got many options. Oh wait, are the bottom of my shoes clean? They're not bad, not bad. Okay, these ones. I've got these ones, which are kind of similar. I've got these ones. Or I also have these, which I never wear. And I don't wear them because they're actually like wonky as. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I don't know if I sat on them or something, but something happened to them and now they sit like lopsided on my face. So they're kind of wrecked. I think we're gonna go with these. Oh, you can see you in the reflection. Whoa. My hair is giving really like big today. But here's my full fit. Ready to go on a hike. We also have these, which are like berry choc brownie snack balls as like a snack. They're plant-based and no refined sugar. We have this turkey that keeps coming and knocking over the bird bath like every day. It's like a bush turkey that comes and knocks it over. I don't know where this is supposed to go. I don't know if it was in it or like under it. I feel like it goes under it. Oh wait, oh yeah. But then it was over, I think it goes here. So that it doesn't blow over. I don't know, that doesn't look right. Alright, we're off. I think this walk is like 4 kilometers, so it shouldn't take too long to do. I haven't been like on a hike since I was a little kid, so this is like so nostalgic. And also like being in nature, it's so just like relaxing and like the fresh air everywhere. It's so nice, and we're on the top of a mountain, so it's really cool. And we're supposed to see a waterfall today too, so that'll be really cool. We're going all the way over there to that other spot, but this waterfall is so beautiful. Super cool. pretty sure this walk is supposed to be like relatively easy difficulty level, but there's like 400 stairs we have to go up at the end, so that might be a bit challenging, but so far it's really peaceful out here. That's all on my face. This is an egg and lettuce sandwich. Don't hate till you try. There's people all the way down the bottom. Oh, there. So we're going right down there. And there's also a waterfall like on the other side of this rock. So we're going to go see that. There's a creek right here. And it goes over the edge. And that edge right there is the waterfall that we're going to go to the bottom of. Protein ball review. Pretty good. It was like berry chocolate flavor. Not bad. I think we're like 1 kilometer in too. Of 4. I love how it's just like so quiet out here. Like there's nobody around. So quiet, so peaceful and just naturey. I want to start like doing more stuff like this and just like being out in nature more and doing more bushwalking and stuff. I just think it's so like good for your mental health too, because you can really think out here. There's not much distractions going on, you know. It's also a good way to get your steps in. Like I've been trying to go on walks all the time, pretty much every day to get my steps in, and this is such a good way to do it. And because we're on a mountain too and going up and down stairs, we get like the height added to that. We were up there before, and this is like us from the bottom now. I'm hiding under this rock because it started raining. You can't really see, but it's raining. So I'm like hiding in this cave. I'm in a rainforest too, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Look at how scary that looks. That's gotta be like a 20-meter drop. Basically straight down. That looks like the perfect little hideout. If I were to just like go off grid, I would so live in that tree. I think we might have made it to the bottom of the waterfall. That big one at the start. We can kind of see, oh, there it is. So I'm pretty sure this waterfall is like over 100 meters high. I'm not sure how high it is exactly. I'll find out. But it's like massive. I'm trying to get closer. I have to like pan it up so you can see the whole thing. That's so cool. So now we have to walk all the way up to the very top, and there's a lookout right at the top of the waterfall. There. Where those people are. That's where we have to go. I'm getting like sprayed on right now. Now we have to climb up these stairs all the way back up to the top. I don't even know if you can hear me right now because it's so loud. The water is so loud. It's also raining. So it's like double overstimulating. But anyways, now we have to climb all the way up the top. I'm not even kidding. Someone just yelled out 6-7 from the top of the cliff. I feel like I'm on Survivor out here in the rainforest. Or I'm Celebrity Get Me Out of Here. This rainforest is actually really famous too. Like they filmed so many big movies out here in these like hinterlands and in the forest. I can't think of what any of them are though. Let me like put them up. What movies they were. So I really feel like I'm in amongst the celebrities right now. This is my version of Hollywood Boulevard. I think we're nearly at the edge of the waterfall again. We might be at the top. I'm not sure. That looks like the redwood forest. I want to go there so bad. That's like one of my top 10 travel destinations is the redwood forest. I think it's in San Francisco. I don't know. I just know it's in California somewhere.